Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Splashman back with a video, and today the video is going to be a bit different because the setup is going to be different because at my new place in Queens I don't really have a setup yet, so I can't sit down and talk to you guys. And also it's not going to be an e-commerce or marketing related video, but more of a personal development type video. If you've been watching my recent videos, you've been realizing that, you know, I'm not only uploading e-commerce content but also content that would make you better as an individual, because I do believe that personal development in general is so important if you do want to grow or even make money. It's the intangibles that make you money as well, whether it be the environment, friends, mentor. So today's video, I'm just gonna walk around New York City. I actually go into the office right now, so I'm gonna walk around, talk about some of the books that actually have changed my life, and books I think you should be reading as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go to New York City, Manhattan, baby. Yes sir, always need this. Johnny, what's a book that changed your life? Any book.
Any book? How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Any other book?
That one's let me see what else.
Literally changed your life. Like, you're like, shit, this book changed my life.
Definitely Rich Dad Poor Dad was a good one.
Alright.
Me. Oh, I like Dan Logg's F.U. Money. That's like the Rich Dad Poor Dad modern version.
Really?
Yeah.
I gotta listen to that then. Damn. All right. Hey Alex, what's a book that changed your life, or multiple books?
Probably Never Split the Difference, this one right here. It's a negotiation book.
Like that?
By an FBI, now celebrity FBI negotiator. But the main benefit that you could get out of Never Split the Difference is probably just your word patterns.
Yeah.
As to how to deliver things where it hits softly in like a high pressure situation. So you're not making the other person uncomfortable, but you're still leading them where you want them to go, basically.
I like
you're
that.
Getting more information, more intel, and then you're able to, build up your side of the story, and win the negotiation, hopefully.
I like that. All right, so I showed you guys Johnny's favorite book, or Johnny's book that impacted his life, and also Alex, who's actually holding the camera right now, thanks to him. But let me just talk about 2 or 3 books that have really impacted my life. And also, you might be wondering, how'd you cut your hair in the middle of this video? But I've just been a little lazy, so I've not been making as much videos. I'm sorry for that. I want to really apologize. But starting off, the first book that really impacted my life is Influence. I actually made a separate video on influence just by itself with Miguel, so definitely check it out. I'll put it in the description. The reason it changed my life is because it just showed me things or tactics that I can use to influence other people's decision, or even see what people are using on me that, just be aware of it, so make sure that I don't get taken advantage of in the future. That's one book. How to Win Friends and Influence People was a good one too, because it really helped me open up to more people back when I started high school. So it was hard for me to talk to people, or even girls, but just with that book, it was just like, I don't know, that book basically just gave me the secrets, I guess. I don't know. It just helped me talk to a lot of people and connect with people. That was a good book. Another good one would be Ego is the Enemy. It's a recent one that really had a big impact in my life. And it's just, I guess, once you start slowly growing, you got to make sure that the ego doesn't take over you. And also in that book, it just talks a lot about making sure that you're doing the things because you want to do it, not because what other people say. There's so much more to it. That's another one that has impacted my life. Other than that, I think .com Secret and Expert Secrets are pretty good. But those are some of the main books that have impacted my life. I can't think of many right now because I think those are the main ones. Unless the recent book that Alex recommended to me, it's called You Need More Money. I recently had a big mindset shift for me. I had a big mindset shift because of that book, You Need More Money. And I think everyone should be reading that book because it just opens your eyes and puts you in that new money mindset, which will really just help you make more money and just make you think in a different way where you will make more money in the long term. But that's all the books that I can think of right now that have really changed my life. And you know, if you guys have any recommendations, or you know, leave in the comments some books that have changed your life, because I want to know what you guys are, you know, what other books that I can read. I'm always open to reading new books, but definitely do that. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you later.